Hey guys, it's welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, for the last few days, this is Halloween, so I'm gonna doing something so realistic makeup, like some extreme SFX, but nobody is willing to watch that video. I'm gonna changing my plan of Halloween to something really good, colorful, and Halloween is going to be end, and this will be the last and final video for our Halloween series. Guys, I really love K-pops, and BTS and Blackpink is one of my favorite bands. Blackpink, I am so much of into the ice cream with Selena Gomez. I think I was literally Spotifying that every day. But for today, I'm gonna making that video or a kind of that song inspired makeup look. So without a further ado, let's get started. If you guys see my first name, my name is Itself, and thank you so much for being here. And like this video if you love makeup, if you love K-pop, and also if you love Selena Gomez. And comment below your feedbacks, subscribe, and also enable the post notification bell. That's it. Good video. Before this video, I thought, okay, before going, I need to say, because everyone know how to do base makeup and eye looks, so I thought I'm going to do that off camera, and I will be right back after finishing my base, and we can move on to the eyeshadow and some cream moments. Okay, base makeup is all complete, then we can move on to our next step, that will be the eyeshadow. So for today's video, I'm going to do a dark green and dark a kind of red moment over here. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to dab this green on the outer corner. For the next, I'm going to taking a light green and nicely going to blend this outer edges to my. For the lid, I'm gonna taking a really sparkle kind of, not a proper green, but it's a kind of a green shade, and nicely dabbing this onto my lid. Once you reach this position, we can move on to the lower lash line. So. And for the last, I'm going to highlighting my inner corner. For the next, I'm going to do the same on the other eye with the red. So I will be right back after finishing that. Okay, this is our eyeshadow moments all complete. Then we can move on to the graphic liner. So I'm going to taking a green kind of face paint and going to add some more detail on the green. And with the red paint, I'm going to detail over the red side. Okay, next step will be the so crucial moment. So I'm gonna stick this tool over here. So this takes so much of time. Okay, I'm going to apply lash glue over here. I'm gonna placing this tool like this. So I will right back after sticking this. I think this is not dried yet, but we can work on this. So I'm gonna taking a cotton, and I'm going to apply the glue around this cone and nicely placing the cotton over there to make this is really strong over there. So I'm not going to talk anymore. Like if I did, this will fall. So please sit back and enjoy it. Next, I'm going to make cotton, like this kinds of things, like it's going to really melt down. So I'm trying to take the glue and placing this to the like this. Last and final to get that really kind of chunky ice cream moment. So I'm gonna adding some foam onto this. This is not what I anticipated, but I want to do something like a melting moment, but I cannot do that. So I thought I'm gonna stop by here and I changed my outfit for my reel. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And for the last, I did add some of the foams on the ice cream to get really a kind of smoothened ice cream moment. And this is the finished look. And this is for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on all the social media on the screen. And see you in next video. Bye bye and happy Halloween, and see you on my next series. And this is the last makeup for this season. Oh my god, I'm sad. Ta-ta!